Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we're going to be going over the X100VI and what accessories I have on this camera. First accessory I think is a must is a camera strap, either for your neck or your wrist. Having a strap makes it a lot easier to have your camera on you. If you keep it in your bag, you have to take it out your bag, turn it on. But if you keep it right on your neck, boom, leave it on, shoot a picture, boom, boom, capture. The beautiful thing about this camera is so small that you can carry it anywhere. Second accessory is going to be a filter. Right here I have the Cinebloom 10% from Moment, and this thing is amazing. It blooms all the highlights and it just gives that softness to your image, especially at night. Like, it just looks amazing. I'll throw up some example images right here and let me know what you think. Accessory number 3 is going to be a lens hood. I have this little square one from this company called, I believe, Hoagie. Here's the name of it. But having a lens hood is a must if you're shooting outside, just because it blocks the direct sunlight that's coming into your lens and you don't get those weird flares, so you get a better contrast. So if you are shooting outside, I recommend having a lens hood. Accessory number 4 is going to be a thumb grip. This thumb grip right here, it just changes the ergonomics of your camera. So much easier to hold when you're not using the strap. Boom, just places your thumb. Reminds me of like the old film cameras. This thing is a must. Anytime someone uses my camera, I let them borrow it. They tell me they just enjoy this little thing right here, this little thumb grip. Accessory number 5 is gonna be the shutter button right there. Honestly, it's something so minor, but just having this button is so much better than without it, just because it's higher and it's more tactile, so you get feel like a full press. The regular button, it feels so short when you're pressing it, so I do recommend getting one of these. They're only like a couple dollars, so you know, try one out. And the last accessory that I recommend is a screen protector for your screen. I don't think you can see it on this, but most cameras, you know, they fold in, but this one folds out, so this screen is always facing out. So you lay it down, you might accidentally scratch the screen. You have it hanging on your neck, it's gonna be flapping. You got a necklace on, or you know, it just hits something and your screen's gonna get scratched. So I do recommend getting a screen protector. It's so much better for your gear. Thank you for watching till the end. Let me know what accessories you want me to try on the Fuji X100VI. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.